Excuse me, does this bus go to City Mall?
Yes, it does. I'm taking the same bus.
Oh good. How long have you been waiting?
About 10 minutes. It should come soon.
I hope so. I'm running a bit late.
Don't worry. The bus is usually on time.
That's good to hear. Is this your regular route?
Yes, I take this bus every day to work.
Me too. I started a new job last month.
Congratulations. What do you do?
I work in a bookstore. It's very peaceful.
That sounds nice. I work in an office.
Look, the bus is coming.
Perfect timing. Let me help you with your bag.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
No problem at all, Kieran. A bookstore sounds like a perfect job for someone who enjoys peace and quiet.
Thank you, Arjun. It's a bit heavy with books today.
Sometimes, Kieran. There's a good coffee shop there.
I appreciate that, Arjun. Do you ever visit the city mall on your days off?
It can be busy, Kieran, but it's interesting work. I'm in marketing.
What is your office job like, Arjun?
That makes two of us, Kieran. The bus is a lifesaver.
I'm glad I'm not the only one who relies on this bus every day.
That's a great way to use the time. What are you reading now, Kieran?
You know, Arjun, sometimes I read during the bus ride to work.
I get off at the stop right after City Mall, actually. So I go a bit further.
Which stop do you get off at for your office, Arjun?
That's a great idea, Kieran. It's nice to have a friendly face on the commute.
We should keep an eye out for each other on the bus from now on, Arjun. Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning, doctor.
How are you feeling today?
Much better than last week. Thank you.
That's good to hear. Any fever now?
No fever. But I still feel tired sometimes.
Let me check your temperature first.
Okay.
Your temperature is normal. That's good.
Should I continue the medicine?
Yes, for 3 more days. Then stop.
Can I go back to work tomorrow?
Yes, but please rest more. Don't work too hard.
I understand. Thank you, doctor.
Drink lots of water. Eat healthy food.
I will. Thank you for your help.
Very good, Vikram. Your recovery is on the right track.
That's a relief to hear, Dr. Mehta.
Let me also check your blood pressure quickly, Vikram.
Okay, doctor.
Your blood pressure is perfectly fine as well, Vikram.
That's good news, thank you.
Now, about this tiredness you mentioned, Vikram. Are you getting enough sleep?
I'm trying to, Dr. Mehta, but I sometimes wake up early and can't get back to sleep.
I would also recommend some light walking in the evening, Vikram, to help rebuild your energy.
I can do that, Dr. Mehta. A short walk sounds manageable.
Please avoid any heavy exercise or lifting for at least another week. Okay, Vikram?
I understand, Dr. Mehta. I'll be sure to take it easy.
Has your appetite returned to normal, Vikram?
Yes, Dr. Mehta, I'm eating much better now.
That's an important sign of healing.
I'm glad to hear that.
Feel free to call the clinic, Vikram, if the tiredness doesn't start to improve in the next few days.
I will, Dr. Mehta. Thank you again for your thorough checkup and advice.
Is there anything else you wanted to ask me about today, Vikram?
No, I think you've covered everything, Dr. Mehta. Thank you so much.
It's so hot today.
I know. It's much hotter than yesterday.
Did you check the weather forecast?
Yes. It says rain tomorrow.
Really? That would be nice. We need rain.
True. The plants in my garden are very dry.
Do you have many plants?
Yes, many flowers. I water them every morning.
That's nice. I have only 2 small plants.
Every plant is important. They give us fresh air.
You're right. I should take better care of mine.
Look at those clouds. Maybe rain will come early.
I hope so. I love the smell of rain.
Me too. Let's enjoy this cooler breeze now.
What kind of flowers do you have in your garden, Kabir?
I have roses and petunias mostly, Ria. They need a lot of water in this heat.
Yes, petunias are lovely. Do you think the rain will be heavy tomorrow?
The forecast says light showers, Ria, so probably not too heavy.
That's a good point. A slow, steady rain is better for the soil.
Absolutely. A heavy downpour just washes the soil away without soaking in.
I should bring my plants to the balcony before it rains, so they get a good drink.
That's a great idea, Ria. They'll be so happy.
I love how everything feels so fresh and clean after a good rain.
Yes, me too. It's like the whole city gets a bath.
Does your garden attract a lot of bees and butterflies, Kabir?
Yes, especially the roses. Butterflies love them, Ria.
That's wonderful. Nature really is amazing in how it all works together.
It really is. It's relaxing just to sit outside and watch them.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I want to open a new account.
Sure. Do you have your ID proof?
Yes, I have my Aadhaar card and PAN card.
Perfect. Please fill this form first.
Okay. Do you have a pen?
Here you go. Take your time.
Thank you. What is the minimum deposit?
500 rupees for a savings account.
That's fine. I want to deposit 2,000 rupees today.
Excellent. I will help you with that.
Will I get an ATM card?
Yes, in 7 days. You can collect it here.
Thank you. How long will this take?
About 15 minutes. Please wait here.
No problem. Thank you for your help.
Neha, would you like me to explain our online banking options?
Yes, please, Mr. Sharma. That would be very helpful.
Online banking is very convenient for transfers and bill payments.
Perfect. I definitely want to use online banking.
We do offer a debit card linked to your account. Would you like that feature?
Oh, an international debit card would be useful. Is there an extra charge for it, Mr. Sharma?
You're welcome. Would you be interested in setting up a fixed deposit as well?
Possibly, Mr. Sharma. Can you tell me about the interest rates for fixed deposits?
I will also provide you with a welcome kit containing your account details.
Thank you. That sounds very organized. I appreciate your help.
Hi Rahul. Are you ready for the test?
Not really. I'm very nervous.
Me too. Which chapter are you studying?
Chapter 5. It's very difficult for me.
Same here. Let's study together.
That's a great idea. When?
How about tomorrow at the library?
Perfect. What time?
10 a.m. Is that okay?
Yes. Should I bring my notes?
Yes, please. I'll bring mine too.
Do you understand the last topic?
A little. We can help each other.
Thank you. I feel less nervous now.
Me too. Teamwork is always better.
That's a great idea, Ananya. Past papers show us exactly what to expect.
I also have some past question papers, Rahul. We can practice those together.
I think we should start by reviewing all the key definitions and formulas.
Perfect. I think focusing on the formulas first is a good plan, Rahul.
Maybe we can test each other with flashcards for the definitions?
Yes, that's a good idea, Rahul. Quizzing each other really helps things stick.
I usually buy one there. Do you bring your own water bottle, Ananya?
I usually do, Rahul. Should I get one for you as well?
That sounds perfect, Ananya. See you tomorrow.
All right, Rahul. Let's meet at the main library entrance at 10 sharp.
Good thinking, Ananya. Breaks are important. We can grab a snack then.
Maybe we can take a short break after 2 hours to stay fresh. Rahul.
I'll also bring my laptop in case we need to look up an explanation online.
Good morning. You're here early.
Morning. I try to come at 6 a.m. every day.
That's impressive. How long do you exercise?
About 45 minutes. What about you?
Only 30 minutes. I'm just starting.
That's good. Consistency is important.
What exercise do you do first?
I start with walking, then some stretching.
I should try that. I only use the treadmill.
Walking outside is nicer. The air is fresh.
You're right. I'll try that tomorrow.
Do you drink water after exercise?
Yes, always. It's very important.
Good. Take care and don't push too hard.
Thank you for the advice. See you tomorrow.
Sure, I do some weights twice a week, Aisha. It helps build stamina.
Do you ever do strength training, Jay, or focus mostly on cardio?
It's a good idea. Start with light weights so you don't get too sore, Aisha.
I see. I should probably add some weight training to my routine too.
Sounds good. Have a great workout today.
Well, I've been meaning to ask, do you listen to music while working out?
Yes, I always listen to fast-paced music, Aisha. It really helps me keep going.
That must keep your energy up. How long have you been coming to this gym?
For about 2 years now, Aisha. It's become part of my daily routine.
Wow, that's real dedication. Do you ever work with a trainer?
Not anymore, Aisha. I did for the first few months to learn the basics, but now I prefer going solo.
That makes sense. Maybe I'll ask the staff for some advice on my form.
Definitely a good idea, Aisha. Proper form prevents injuries.
That's very kind of you, Jay. I really appreciate all your tips today.
Anytime, Aisha. We're all here to get better. See you tomorrow.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I need a shirt for an office party.
What color do you prefer?
Maybe light blue or white.
We have both. What is your size?
Medium. Can I see the white one first?
Here you are. The fitting room is there.
Thank you. I'll try it on. This fits perfectly. How much is it?
1,200 rupees. It's 20% off today.
That's a good price. I'll take it.
Would you like to see anything else?
No, thank you. This is perfect.
Cash or card?
Card, please. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
It's very comfortable too, which is great for a long party.
It really suits you. It's a very popular style.
Actually, do you have matching trousers for this shade?
We do. They're in the next aisle. I can show you if you'd like.
That would be helpful, thank you. Can I see them in size medium as well?
Sure, I'll bring them right over. They're from the same collection.